Walking across your kitchen floor should not feel like a survival mission through a sandy beach and a pet hair factory, yet for most of us, that is the daily reality. You look down and there is a mysterious sauce stain, a tumbleweed of golden retriever fur. There may be some grit from the backyard. This is exactly where the high-stakes battle between the biggest names in home automation begins. Think about the chaos of a household with a crawling baby, a long-haired dog, and a cat. One particular user put the premium Omni model through that exact gauntlet. It did not just survive, it actually thrived. The navigation managed to weave through the obstacle course of toys and tails without a single hiccup. That is a big deal because nobody wants to play hide and seek with a stuck vacuum under the sectional couch at 10 o'clock at night. Now, when we talk about the rival brand known for its precision navigation, we are looking at a different kind of beast. These machines use light-based sensors and artificial intelligence to map out your life with surgical precision. They are the architects of the robot world, planning paths that avoid every single stray shoe and power cord. If your home is a complex maze of multiple floors and weird corners, that level of intelligence is your best friend. But let's get into the nitty-gritty of the actual cleaning. Because a smart brain is useless if the muscles are weak, the Omni flagship is a powerhouse on hard floors and low carpets. One person noticed it picked up every grain of heavy sand, though it did leave a few faint streaks on those shiny vinyl floors during the first pass. You might need to set it to a double pass with lower water flow to get that perfect mirror finish, especially when tackling dried sauce, which remains the ultimate boss fight for any robot mop currently on the market. On the other side of the fence, the competitor is pushing the boundaries of what a docking station can actually do for you. We are looking at docks that wash the mops with hot water and then dry them out automatically. That is a game changer for the smell factor alone. Nobody wants a damp, musty mop sitting in their living room all day. They even have these little robotic arms that reach out to scrub the edges of your baseboards. It is those tiny details that make you feel like you are finally living in the future we were promised. Maintenance is usually where these dreams go to die, but both of these contenders are making it easier to stay lazy. The anti-tangle rollers on the Omni are a godsend if you have people in the house with long hair. It reduces that gross weekly task of cutting hair off a brush roll with a pair of scissors. Most of the time, you're just glancing at the phone app or emptying the base once in a while. It comes down to what your specific brand of domestic chaos looks like. If you have a high-traffic home with pets, babies, and heavy foot traffic, the Omni provides a balanced, reliable partnership that handles the heavy lifting without making a scene. It stays quiet and stays out of the way. But if you are a tech enthusiast who wants the most advanced mapping and a dock that does absolutely everything for you, then the precision rival is likely your winner. You are choosing between a rugged, dependable workhorse and a highly polished, intelligent specialist. Either way, the days of pushing a heavy upright vacuum around while tripping over a cord are officially over, and your bare feet will definitely thank you for the upgrade. It is all about reclaiming your time and finally winning the war against the pet hair.